Introduction to best practices for Whoop charging cable. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your Whoop device, it is crucial to follow best practices for charging cable maintenance and usage. In this guide, we will walk you through the key steps to properly care for your Whoop charging cable. Step 1. Understand your charging cable. Familiarize yourself with the Whoop charging cable, its components, and how it works. The Whoop charging cable is a specialized cable designed specifically for the Whoop device, and using any other cable may damage your device or compromise its performance. Step 2. Handle the cable with care. Always handle the charging cable with care, avoiding bends, twists, or pinches that may cause damage to the internal wires. When not in use, store the cable in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight or moisture. Step 3. Inspect the cable regularly. Regularly inspect the charging cable for signs of wear and tear, such as frayed cords, damaged connectors, or exposed wires. If you notice any damage, replace the cable immediately to prevent any potential risks or malfunctions. Step 4. Clean the cable and connectors. Clean the charging cable and connectors regularly to prevent dirt, dust, or debris from accumulating and causing connectivity issues. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe down the cable and connectors, and avoid using liquids or harsh chemicals that may damage the components. Step 5. Charge your device correctly. To charge your Whoop device correctly, plug the charging cable into a power source, such as a wall adapter or USB port, and then connect the other end to your device. Ensure the cable is securely connected to both the power source and the device to prevent any interruptions or malfunctions during charging. Best practices for Whoop charging cable. To summarize, the best practices for Whoop charging cable include handling the cable with care, inspecting it regularly, cleaning it regularly, and charging your device correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the optimal performance and longevity of your Whoop device and its charging cable. Conclusion. In conclusion, following best practices for Whoop charging cable is essential to maintain the performance and longevity of your device. By understanding your charging cable, handling it with care, inspecting and cleaning it regularly, and charging your device correctly, you can ensure a seamless and uninterrupted user experience. Remember to always prioritize the care and maintenance of your Whoop charging cable to get the most out of your device.